Hi, Otters. I am so glad we're able to connect this way this summer. Hope you're staying safe and still having lots of fun. Well, we heard the story about how Jesus calms the storm. And so we have an activity that you can do at home with some simple things you probably already have in your house. We're going to make a calm down bottle. So the first thing you'll need is a bottle. A water bottle is perfect. You could just drink a little bit out of it. Or if you don't have a plastic water bottle, you could use a jar maybe that was from spaghetti or jam or something that you're saving and recycling. Just be careful if it's glass. And then you'll need some oil, just some regular cooking oil. Some food coloring snazzes it up a little bit. And then some items to put inside. Things you probably have at your house are some little pony beads. Maybe you have some sequins or some glitter. Those are some ideas. I bet you have tons of other things. You could even put small Legos or anything that you have at your house that wouldn't dissolve in water. Then I would suggest either some duct tape or a hot glue gun and a grown-up to help with that. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is open up your bottle. And once you got rid of some of the water, not all of it, just a little bit at the top, you'll want to pour in the oil. You could use a funnel if you have it. And you're going to notice something. The water and the oil are not mixing. The oil is less dense and it floats on top. You can add some food coloring. Just 1 or 2 drops is really all you need. Watch the magic. Look how it goes down. It's heavier, it's denser than that oil. So when we mix it up, we'll see the magic. It's kind of trying to get down to the water. Here it goes. It's almost there. Look at that. I mean, you could put it in first, but that's way more fun before the oil. Okay, and then you'll add some things inside. So I have just some pony beads because I love watching them dance around. And then when you shake your bottle, they make a little noise, which is fun. So you'll add some of those. I have some sequins, which are real lightweight and sparkly. So I'll add those because I don't have to go to the store or anything. I just had them here. I bet you'd be surprised what's in your house. And then adding a little bit of glitter. I'll add those in real carefully. Now before you shake this up, you're going to want to seal it really well. So a hot glue gun is great to seal around the outside if you have one, but just some regular old duct tape may not look as lovely, but you maybe have some really cool duct tape and with some snazzy design on it. That would be fun. Either way, this will keep it from going everywhere. So I'll just add this to the top of this one, just to seal it. Makes a nice seal. And then you don't worry about it spraying everywhere. All right, and then the fun part, you get to shake it up. Now, it doesn't look like much is happening at first, but as you wait and you sit and you give it some time, the oil and the water will separate. The glitter and the beads may move. They may congregate, do some different things. Each time you shake the bottle, it's going to be a little different. That's part of the beauty of it. But during the time that you wait and you watch these two things separate, the oil and the water, give yourself time to breathe, to think, to pray, and to remember that Jesus calms the storm. So storms are going to happen. They happen all around us, outside of us, and they even happen inside of us. So when Jesus is the calmer of the storm, we can remember that we can't always control the storm. We can't control what happens on the outside, but that Jesus is there with us to be a calming presence, to help our hearts settle as we think on things that are pure and full of joy and peace and kindness. So when we give ourselves that time and we remember that we're not alone in the storm, it helps us to calm and to center ourselves. So once you've made this bottle, then you can remember to use this bottle whenever you need it. And even adults need to settle our glitter and calm our storms sometimes. Hope you have fun creating your own calm down bottle. and we love to see pictures of what you've done. Thanks.